everyone, welcome to my vlog. Who are you guys? Hope you are fine. First introduction, my name is Frenky Pratama Sejati. I was one of students of university in Solo, First Class Pembangunan University. I took a civil engineering education program. As in the India title, in this video I will discuss about brakes. We know that a brake is a crossing device that connects between two islands or area that are affected by an alligator river of sea. Or other meaning of bridge is a structure that is meant to cross gaps of or obstacles, such as rivers, railroad, tracks of hangers. Bridges are built of pedestrians crossing bicycle or trains or obstacles. So according to construction express, the bridge is construction structure, the function to connection to part of cut road by obstacle like step, fallacy, irrigation, channel, and landfish. One wooden bridge. The earliest bridge is when humans take the opportunity of violence trees to bend the river. So, it is not surprising that the first bridge made was a thread that was deliberately uprooted across a river. Two, culvert bridge. Culvert bridges have abutments at each end. Bridge slots are partial to the abutment on both sides. The oldest arch bridge in the world damped by the Greeks, including the Arcadico Bridge. Three, bamboo bridge. The bridge can also be called a direct descendant of a wooden bridge. The bridge is least used now except for short distance. 4. Skeleton bridge. This bridge is always made by using two frames that are connected with horizontal elements to form a box-shaped structure. The road to be pasted might occur instead of some of the elements up, or it might also be hacked in the middle. This is always the case if the chills that actually contradict make the work of making it more difficult. Five. Suspension sprits. The suspension sprit is another type of the first sprit and is still made using original materials. Such as straw wraps in half the area in South America. Modern suspension sprits capable of carrying vehicles using two towers replace the principle. Cable that span the sprits need to be strongly threaded at both ends of the bridge. In making a bridge, let's look at some of the following animations. Some type of bridge, type an example of animation in making bridge. So that's who are my friends for my vlogs today. Who is this using a bridge? I hope we can meet another video. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. That a break. Apa sih hal yang alah off ceret Civil Engineering Education Program.